guys and welcome here. So in today's video we are cleaning my 3.9-year-old daughter's room. It is also office area, it is also keeping our extra stuff area, it is also our worship area. There are so many things which this room fulfills. It is a very small room, but it looks big because of the high ceiling, which is so superb. We love high ceiling anyways. So yes, this room has a lot of potential. We can do a lot of things around here. We can organize it in different ways. That's what makes this room really functional and beautiful. And it has beautiful big window. That's why a lot of natural sunlight comes in, and that is why I do not keep so many things on this room, because it is a small room. There is a lot of furniture, so I don't want to make this whole room very different popping colors here and there, because when your room is small you have to keep it very minimal. And we are naturally minimalist. We do not fill our house with a lot of stuff and all, but over the time, like from 3 to 4 months, my life was kind of really hectic, and that's why this room is very cluttered. So we have to clean it, we have to arrange it. There's so much thing which needs my help. Really embarrassed to show how this room is, but this is a real life. That's why I'm showing you guys and hoping that it gives you some kind of inspiration and idea and motivation to do same around your house. And if you're new, I'm Pragya. I make videos related to lifestyle, parenting and homeschooling, so make sure to check those videos out. I'll put the link in the description of other videos that you can check out, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. But before doing anything, I'm gonna be putting any of my favorite podcasts. When you are seeing this side of closet, you will think like, Nirvi has so many clothes. But no, actually she has these many clothes, but she has outgrown of so many, and I had not cluttered this. So there are so many clothes that they are going away. And also this area contains all her clothes, like winter clothes, summer clothes, party wear clothes. And what exactly, she doesn't have much party wear, like maybe 1 or 2. But yeah, her sleep suits, it's all here, so please don't mind. And now let's bring all those and see what is going away. Okay guys, so everything is arranged as you can see. I mean, I have made 2 piles. This pile is going in the storage area, because I'm gonna be saving these for future baby, or if not, then I will donate to somebody. And this we are going to keep. These are all her summer, winter, spring, fall season clothes, and I'm gonna be bringing some new clothes because otherwise she'll run out of it. What I do is I layer her up in like summer and winter clothes, summer and fall clothes, to keep her warm, because our house gets really cold. These are the swim diapers which are going away. Those are her socks. I really don't like those socks at all, but I'm gonna be keeping those because she only have those to wear at home, and I'll be bringing few more to wear them outside, wear out some you know what I mean. And yeah, these are the pajamas set, but she's gonna need some more because some of them are just pajamas which she can wear in night, but we need some leggings. So this is kind of how it is looking. These are just towel sets which will I think I'll be keeping somewhere over here. Okay, you guys, so I'm still cleaning, but I was listening to the podcast and I came across this one. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so I came across this lady, Mommy Millionaire, and I was listening to 265th one, which is a mom, okay, so living a balanced life with this lady. What's her name? Kyla. Sorry, Robin Long. So make sure to check her out because it was the dope one. I listened to this lady like for the first time, and this was the absolutely best one. And I listened to so many podcasts like Janet Kujar, Amy Porterfield, Saloni Srivastava, The Ranveer Show, Gillian Perkins. So there are so many, but this was the dope one. And I'm more towards listening to mommy millionaires or mommy entrepreneurs, mompreneurs I mean, because then I can relate, because the seasons are different in mom lives, and people, those who are passionate about something, they are passionate about changing something and working towards their passion and goals and what their vision is. Listening to those are the amazing, and it was really relatable to me. So make sure to check her out. But I want your recommendation as well. If you listen to any podcast, which is your favorite one? Comment down below. And now let's get back. when I finished editing, then I realized that I had not filmed outro. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, cleaning video. Make sure to give this video thumbs up if you really enjoyed, and also write me in the comment section some good recommendation of podcast, and also what kind of video you would like to see more, because in my last video I got so many comments that you guys want to see more vlogs, and I'm really up for it if you guys really think so, with the parenting and homeschooling videos. So of course I'll be doing those with vlogs. Yeah, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button. I'll see you guys in my next one.